Welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Thursday, April 11th. We'll start out taking a look at the water vapor satellite imagery across the region today. I'd like to draw your attention to a couple features. The first is this shortwave trough moving through Oregon toward East Idaho today, and the second will be the combination of these two features here, which will impact the region for Friday. With that first shortwave moving through the area today, we are expecting showers and possibly a few thunderstorms across the region today. Most of the precipitation associated with this feature is expected to remain light. The second, the combination of the two features, will move through the region for Friday and Friday night. Although coverage of the showers and thunderstorms is expected to be less, some of these may produce some additional heavier precipitation, so we are expecting slightly higher precipitation amounts. Here's the snow totals through Friday night, with the temperatures remaining just about normal for this time of year. Most of the snow is expected to remain mid-slope and higher, and again, with these features not producing a whole lot of precipitation, the highest precipitation totals or snowfall totals are expected to be across this portion of the Central Mountains, with approximately 3 to 5 inches, mainly above Galena Pass. By the time we get into Friday night and Saturday, we are looking at a little bit of a drying trend, and we are not expecting precipitation across the region. Temperatures will remain in the mid-50s for the most part across the lower elevations, so this should be a pretty pleasant day for people to get out and about across the region on Saturday. We do have another small feature moving through the area on Sunday into Monday. At this time, things are looking pretty uncertain with the features as they move through. So although we are expecting precipitation pretty much each day for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, pinpointing where the focus of the precipitation is going to be and how much is pretty uncertain at this time. So we'll address that as we get closer to the timing for those features and the details become a little bit more clear. With respect to the hydrologic situation across the area, we are still seeing some minor flooding impacts in portions of the area, particularly along the Portneuf, along the Silver Creek area, and in the Camas region. We also still have a flood watch across most of the higher elevations of East Idaho. That does go through midday today, but with the cooler temperatures that we've seen the past few days and the impact of the light precipitation expected through Friday, it is uncertain whether or not we will be continuing that flood watch into the weekend at this time. And this concludes the briefing for this morning. If you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out the number on the screen. And if you have comments or feedback about the content and delivery of this briefing, please feel free to drop our webmaster an email. Thank you for joining us today.